Today I'm super excited to walk you through how to customize the Finder toolbar in macOS Tahoe. If you're like me, you spend a ton of time in Finder, and having quick access to your favorite tools, apps, or folders can be a total game changer. First things first, open up a Finder window. Now at the top of the Finder window, you'll see the toolbar. It's got some default buttons like the back and forward arrows, view options, and maybe a search field. But here's the fun part. You can tweak it to fit your workflow. To start customizing, go to the menu bar at the top of your Finder window and right-click, then select Customize Toolbar. Boom, you'll see the toolbar panel and a bunch of icons you can add. This is your customization playground. You'll see options like New Folder, Delete, Get Info, and even a Share button. Want to delete files faster? Drag the Delete button up to the toolbar. Need quick access to file details? Add Get Info. You can also add a flexible space to spread things out or a separator to keep it organized. Just click and drag these icons into the toolbar wherever you want them. Each icons will automatically adjust itself in order for you to rearrange your specific tool's preference. Take your time to customize everything. If you want to revert back the toolbar to default, just drag the entire default set on the bottom and drag it to the upper part of the Finder window. That's it. Your Finder toolbar is now tailored to you, making your Mac feel like your Mac. With Tahoe's glassy aesthetic, it'll look slick too. Try it out, play around, and let me know in the comments how you set up your toolbar. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next macOS trick. Catch you in the next one.